Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your floor and wearing nitrile gloves. Safety prevents damage and irritation. First, gently scrape away any flaking poster paint with a plastic scraper at a shallow angle to avoid gouging. Once done, mix warm water and a few drops of dish soap in a spray bottle and test a 1 square foot hidden area. This shows whether simple cleaning will work or if stronger solvents are needed. Make sure to blot, not rub, when sampling to preserve the wall finish. Now you escalate methodically. Start by saturating the paint with warm soapy water and let it sit for a minute to soften the film. Blot with a microfiber cloth until pigment lifts. If residue remains, switch to 70% isopropyl alcohol or a diluted ammonia solution. Use a small amount on a cloth and test again to protect paint beneath. You should work in 2 by 2 foot sections so solvents don't dry on the wall. Rinse with clean water and dry the area before repeating to avoid spreading color. To finish, gently use a melamine sponge magic eraser on any remaining marks. Keep pressure light to protect the underlying paint. Once the wall is clean, compare sheen and color. If areas look dull, apply a small touch-up of matching paint and feather the edges for a seamless blend. If a stain or deep penetration remains despite repeated cleaning, stop and consult a professional rather than escalating to harsh chemical strippers or aggressive sanding, which can damage drywall and require costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.